All right, here we are finishing up our area lesson. We're still trying to understand it, and you guys are just doing the homework and the quiz now. So this is very similar to what we did yesterday. You have to find the square unit. So that's like the little square inside of the shape, not the outside, the inside. So to start this off, you're gonna need to draw all the squares in. So basically connect the dots. Then I want you to go in every single time and put the numbers in. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I know that's 6 square units. Okay. And as we go down, so the next two, obviously you're going to do them on your own. I don't want to do all your work for you. For the next one, you have to think about this situation. And what do we need to know? Do we need to know the perimeter, which is the outside measurements? Or do we need to know the area, which is the inside measurements? Are you going to need to know perimeter or area for carpeting a floor? When we put a carpet in, yeah, sure, we need to know the perimeter, but it's a little bit more important to know how many squares of carpet we need to put in. So we're definitely going to need to know the area. And for fencing a garden, dude, a fence, that is a perimeter, right? So we know this one needs to be perimeter. Okay. All right, and for these ones down here, we're going to use the picture here. Oh, is it already down all the way there? All right, and this is problem solving. You guys are good at problem solving. We're getting better at least. Roberto is building a platform for his model railroad. What is the area of the platform? So that's when we go in and draw all the grids. And then go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the area is 12 square, this is important, units. Because each one of those is a little square. Roberto will put a border around the edges of the platform. How much border will he need? When he wants to put a border around the edges, we're counting this part, right? The outside. What is the outside called? Yeah, it's called the perimeter. So I'm actually going to grab a different color here because this is a funky shape. So I want to count it, but I want to make sure I'm not overlapping and getting myself confused, okay? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So he will need 16, but instead of square units, we're going to say units, just units, okay? Draw a rectangle using dot paper. Find the area and explain how you found the area. You can go ahead and draw that right on the side over here and draw your own dots. Make sure they're lined up. I just messed up that one. So, like making an array. Or if your parents have graph paper, use that too. Okay, so that was this page. Let's look at the next page, which I'm not going to do with you because I never do. The first two are quizzes. The same thing we just did. Make sure you draw all those little squares in and count them. And make sure you know you write square units. Don't just write the number. For the review, you need to do division. It's going to be 42 divided by 7. For the next one, you need to do fractions. We're doing time. And this one's multiplication. You got it, guys. I know you do. All right, you have a good rest of your day. Make sure you get outside. It's going to be nice out again.